Planning on upgrading your streaming experience? Here we're taking a look at CoreELEC versus LibreELEC, which are both the top operating systems created solely for Kodi media centers. First, let's talk about CoreELEC, the specialist for logic. A highly specialized Linux distribution focused on maximum performance on logic devices, CoreELEC is made for efficient and powerful operation of Kodi specifically on logic-based devices. Using custom-made vendor kernels helps achieve exceptional performance and advanced functionalities not available to general distributions. As of 2026, it is still the best operating system for those who own Logic TVs and require maximum support for high bitrate playback and special Dolby Vision, including Profile 7 FAL functionality. For anyone looking for a top-notch movie experience on a dedicated Android device, CoreELEC is an optimal choice. Now let's go to LibreELEC, the universal alternative. In comparison, LibreELEC is the most versatile and popular choice. This OS relies on the usage of an upstream Linux kernel, which enables it to offer greater hardware architecture support. LibreELEC is a go-to OS for Raspberry Pi, including Pi 4 and 5, as well as a variety of other generic 86 mini PC devices. This OS is widely acclaimed due to its stability and ease of use. You can just set it and forget it. Although LibreELEC has gained support for some Amlogic hardware, it doesn't have the hardware optimized core that comes with CoreELEC, and thus it is more appropriate for users who care more about hardware versatility and OS standards. So, which one should you pick? Choose CoreELEC if you have high-end Amlogic based streaming device and care about raw performance, audio pass-through capabilities, and rare video format support. Choose LibreELEC if you're using a Raspberry Pi and want maximum compatibility, huge community support, and reliability. They are both open source and free, meaning you can simply run them both from a micro SD card in order to find out which one is compatible with your system. Please try them both out and share your thoughts with us by commenting on the post below. Be sure to subscribe to receive more tech news and hardware recommendations.